Honor announced a partnership with Porsche Design earlier this year, and the assumption was that the German market deal was over with Huawei. Now, Porsche Design has indeed confirmed with the Android Authority that its deal with Huawei ended last year. This is what they said. It confirmed the end of the long-running partnership between the two brands. Huawei teamed up with Porsche Design in 2016, releasing a variety of pricey flagship phones until 2022's Mate 50 RS Porsche Design. Some of the phones were more lackluster than others, such as the Mate 10 Porsche Design model. But we also saw few models that delivered more than just a different design, extra storage at huge price tag. For example, 2018 Mate RS Porsche Design differed from the Huawei P20 Pro by offering two fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, a Quad HD Plus screen, and two bundle chargers. Honor tie-up with the German design is off to a seemingly ho-hum start with the Honor Magic B2 RSR Porsche Design foldable. This brings a new design, more storage, and a bundle stylus, but comes with a steep price tag and last year's flagship chip. So really hope Honor Porsche Design can bring more exciting phones for better pricing.